All right, for this video, we're gonna take our completed box and we're going to level it off, okay? No matter how hard we try to keep these measurements correct and right when we actually put and build up these walls, almost always one of these walls or even inside the wall itself is gonna be a little bit lower and some areas are gonna be a little bit higher. So we're gonna make sure that we have a nice even top here, okay? Now what I like to do is I'm gonna bring it here and I'm gonna take a ruler and I'm gonna find that lowest part of my wall, okay? And I know with looking at this box that it's gonna be it's gonna be just under 4. It's gonna be 3 7/8 is actually what that is, okay? And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and I'm gonna put a line, or I'm gonna put a dot, pardon me, right at that 3 7/8, okay? Then with these longer walls, I like to line it up, put another dot, and just with these longer walls, I like to line it up and make 3 different dots on those sides at 3 7/8, right? Now what I'm gonna do is I have those 3 dots, I'm gonna take this ruler and I'm gonna connect those dots and I'm gonna scribe a line connecting those dots I just made. Okay. You can see even here that there's a little bit thinner area here and there's a little bit more clay here, and those are the inconsistent walls that I'm talking about as we cut and build. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing over all 4 of these walls. You can see that I've done this a little bit ahead of time. I'm going to come and kind of draw and scribe those lines. You can see that with each one of these lines, it lines up with the line before it, right, on each wall. Because we've measured each one all to the same length, we know that this line is all the way around the box at the same height, so that we now will take and shave and carve this extra wall, or the extra clay on the top of this box off.